Hello, amazing people. In today's video, I will be showing you step by step on how I made this quality profitable shampoo. And this shampoo can go for commercial and also for personal use. With this method, I will teach you how you can start profitable shampoo business with little capital and few ingredients at comfort of your home. Then if this video is for you, watch to the end. Grab your paper and pen because I will be sharing secret of making your shampoo stand out in the market so you can build a successful hair care business. Let's get started. Don't forget your mixing bowl, spatula or mixing stick. Always protect yourself and keep all the chemicals out of the reach of the children's and pets. The first ingredient goes to my mixing bowl is Tessapon. Tessapon is our main cleansing and also foamy agent. It removes dirt and oil from the hair and gives that rich bubbly lather that everyone loves in shampoo. Tessapon is the main surfactant in this shampoo production and we'll be using 250 grams of Tessapon. And the next ingredient is cooking salt, sodium chloride. Salt is to adjust the thickness and give the shampoo the right body, but we must use it carefully because too much salt can thin the shampoo again. So follow the measurements. Salt will be using 150 grams. As you add salt to Tessapon, you mix it together. Mixing both ingredients together activates the foaming and also helps Tessapon to react and dissolve on time when mixing it with water. You may be wondering, is salt good on hair? Yes, salt can offer several benefits for your hair and scalps, including exfoliation, oil absorption, and it can also help with dandruff. Using of salt in shampoo cannot affect your hair negatively, but you must be careful while using it. As you can see now, both the salt and the Tessapon have mixed well together. So the next ingredient we'll be adding now is our clean water. And clean water will be adding just 3 liters of clean water. In adding water to Tessapon and salt, you must be very careful. You don't add the 3 liters of clean water into it at once. Just put your eye on the screen and see the way I start adding my water. I added just little water first, and I will make sure I stir it together very well for the Tessapon and the salts and water to mix together very well. You can see that I changed my spatula into my mixing stick because I want to mix it until it forms a smooth paste. So I continue mixing it without adding more water to it. If you want to get a good result in this production, kindly do it the way you see me doing it. Don't be in a haste to add water. Take your time and mix it together very well. At this point, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Kindly comment and share this video for other people to see. You can see that I just add more water into it. Then as I add water again, I continue stirring it. So do not skip this stirring of a thing. When you stir it well, you will have a perfect and smooth product at the end of the day. Then I add more water and I continue stirring. Shampoo business is another fast-selling business you can venture into with small capital, but you need to know the secret of making good profits. That is more reason you need to watch the video to the end in order not to miss any steps. I add all the remaining water into it and I stir it together very well before adding the next ingredient. And the next ingredient is Dquat A. Dquat A is a conditioner. It makes the hair soft, reduce tangling, control frizz, and give the hair a slicky smooth feel. You can get Dquat A where you buy all the ingredients for the shampoo. Just tell them you want Dquat A. Dquat A is part of the ingredients we normally use when making hair conditioner. So Dquat A will help you to comb your hair freely. It detangles your hair when combing it. You can add it to your ingredients while making your hair shampoo. And as I added it into the shampoo, I stir it all together again. The next ingredient we are adding is glycerin. Glycerin is a natural moisturizer. It keeps the hair soft, shiny, and prevents dryness by locking in moisture. And glycerin, I added just 20 ml. And followed by vitamin E. This nourishes the hair, strengthens the strands, and also adds shine and smoothness to your hair. Vitamin E also, I added just 20 ml. And the next ingredient is a preservative. Preservative, I'll be using Jama Plus 10 ml. We need preservative because shampoo contains water. We must add a preservative to it to stop bacteria or mold from growing. This makes the shampoo safe and extend its shelf life. As I added all the ingredients, then I make sure I stir it together. This time around, we need to stir all the ingredients together in order for it to blend well. Continue washing because I promise that I will be showing you the secrets of how to make profits with this particular production. After stirring it for a while, then I allow it to rest before coming back to it. So now I come back and I stir it together in order to add the next ingredient. And the next ingredient I'll be adding is HEC, egg or nitrous. Egg is a cellulose, taking the shampoo into a nice gel form and also stabilize it so the ingredients don't separate. I added 20 grams of egg into 1 liter of water. This is part of the secret of this production. I make sure I stir it very, very well. You know, if you don't stir it very well, it will form a lumps. And after forming lumps, you will not be able to add it to the shampoo. And when stirring it, do not allow it to thicken before adding it into this production. Because if you allow it to thicken, it will also form a lumps as we are pouring it into your shampoo. Just take a look at the way I thicken my shampoo. I mix it very well, and I added it into it. You can see that the nitrous water is not thick before I added it into the shampoo. Then as you add it into the shampoo, then you continue stirring it. As you are stirring it together, it will bring out the thickness and form a beautiful gel that, yes, you will know that you have added a thickener to it. As you can see it now, the shampoo is already thick. It's thick enough now to call a shampoo. Remember, we are dealing with commercial shampoo. The kind of shampoo that you can make, sell, and have profits on it. So, and the next thing I'll be adding to this shampoo is my fragrance. You can add any fragrance of your choice. I add vanilla fragrance into it, and I add 10 ml of vanilla fragrance. As I add it and I stir it together, then I added tea tree essential oil into it. It's an optional. You may choose to add it or leave it. Tea tree is known for its antifungal and antimicrobial properties, which can help combat dandruff and sweet and itch scalp. Additionally, it may help unlock hair follicles and promote a healthy scalp environment for hair growth. Adding few drops of tea tree into it is of great advantage, but it's an optional. As I added it to it, then I continue stirring it. And the next thing I'll be adding is my color. You can use any color of your choice, but in my environment here, Nigeria, we normally use orange color on our shampoo. And I already have mixed the color with little water. I use water color. So I added little to it in order to test it. Maybe it will be enough. So you don't just add color all at once. Color is just to beautify the products. So I added it and I stir it. When I see that the color is not enough, I added the remaining one to it. And as I added my color to it, I make sure I stir it together very, very well. I stir and stir. I make sure the color mix together with the old shampoo. As you can see, the shampoo come out very smooth and beautiful. Now we need to allow this shampoo to rest for like 24 hours, even more before we package it. Let's discuss the profit aspects of this particular production. But before then, if you have not liked this video, kindly give this video a thumb up, comment, like, and share the video. And this is our beautiful shampoo 24 hours later. As you can see, it gives us very thick beautiful outcome. And that is how we make a thick, foaming, salon quality shampoo right at home. Imagine how much profit you will get using this formula with few ingredients that save costs yet quality enough to condition your hair. This is a fast selling business and profitable business that you can start with less than 5K and earns you daily money. And I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. If so, subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. And to all my returning subscribers, thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. See you in the next video. Bye.